Hello and welcome back to my office, my electrical safety learning lab. This is a post about rubber insulating gloves. So the electrical safety program, as far as content, arc flash and shock, PP tools and equipment, includes specification. So this is something that's been something I've been looking at for a bit and had several questions of, which is, well, how come we can't get like a single rubber insulating glove for use in Canada, US? I've heard of it somewhere else, or and then recently, someone said, Terry, what about this glove on Amazon? This glove from China. And so I ordered it and received it on Tuesday. Came in this plastic bag. And it's got made in China there on the back there, right there. So, and then these are the gloves. And there's nothing on them, really. It just says GOL SIV 400 volts, a nice little, lightning there. And then in the inside there's nothing there. And then it came with this little certificate, right? And notice the address at the bottom there, Shengli Technology Company. I don't even know how to pronounce that. And then it says, tested and and tested to the QBHGYT-004-2022 implementation standard. And then on the back, it has some instructions. Interesting enough, down here, it says how to retest these. Electrical insulation performance test: a metal plate with the same size as the glove is placed in the glove as the inner electrode, and the palm of the glove is placed on the metal plate for electrical testing. So buyer beware, and we really got to watch out because we also do have a certified arc rated cut resistant glove with a rubber palm, but these aren't V rated. All right, this one's from Superior, this one's from Ansel. So these are an arc rated, specifically arc rated cut resistant glove. Also, with the change in the ASTM F2675, this is an old Salisbury leather protector for a class 0 glove. All right. Now you can get a specifically arc rated protector. I ordered this one from Youngstown online, got it delivered to my house in a couple, 3 days. And it is specifically arc rated. And we know that it meets applicable standards for North America because it is labeled, right? So this is available and you can use it in North America. Now, this is a Youngstown Class 1 or Class 2, uh, again, specifically arc rated protector. Again, it's labeled, right? So, again, gloves for shock versus gloves for arc flash. You got to keep it straight out there. As well, these gloves, you got to be careful. Like your glove consumable costs can go up if every worker's wearing these. So, again, this is all part of an electrical safety program and managing the specification of gloves in this case. This is a Youngstown, right? Glove, right? Not specifically arc rated. This is a Superior glove that is specifically arc rated. Now that's just a leather work glove, right? So these are not V rated, right? This is not V rated. All right. So what I did, and I've previously posted this PowerPoint, and again, this is how we can make information available and disseminate it. So this PowerPoint, I've posted it previously. I can post it again in another post, but I just wanted to do a quick video. Again, this is where I have reviewed all of this with respect to the specifically arc-rated gloves and specifically arc-rated protectors for rubber insulating gloves. And that's why we deleted the word leather, right, from NFPA 70E and CSA Z462. All right, so just another video from my electrical safety learning lab. Again, knowledge, transfer, information, all of this is part of an electrical safety program documentation system. I provide solutions. I don't provide doubt, fear, anxiety. I don't quote articles with no explanation. I don't float videos out there and say this could be your workers and, blah, blah, blah. That's misinformation and disinformation. And globally, all of us need to manage this, right? We need to manage this and make sure we get it right. We need to take control of abnormal arcing fault and arc flash and place more focus on electric shock. So another post from my electrical safety learning lab. If you want a compliant electrical safety program that's robust, comprehensive, and will help your company manage all of this, get in touch with me. I can help you. Take care. Be safe out there. Have a great day.